Hello, welcome to another session on linear equation in one variable. In the first session, we had discussed the very basic, solutions of the linear equation in one variable. In this session, I'll first be taking up questions in fractions. We'll have to be solving this question which I'm writing. It says it is x by 2 minus 1 by 5. See, the method remains same as we did in the previous one by learning and changing the sides and keeping the variables on one side and the constants on the other. Here we also do the same thing by changing the sides first. That means I'll keep the variables on one and I'll keep the constants on the other, thereby making 1 by 5 was negative, and when we changed side it became positive. Now there are two ways of doing this. Either you take LCM or you can give it a common denominator. The basic understanding though remains same. This is suppose 6. If I take the LCM, so now 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 into x makes it 3x minus, similarly 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. 2 into x gives us 2x. And again I take the same LCM method here. 25 by 4 is 5. 25 by 5 is 4. So on the left I'm getting 3x minus x, that's giving me only 1x, so I simply write x by 6, and on the right it became 9 by 20. So I need to simply cross multiply 6 to the right, and it became 9 into 6 by 20, thereby making it 2 into 3 and 10. So if you multiply, I don't think it's any more divisible, so that makes it 27 by 10 as the value of x. We'll take up a few more on this type. Here I'll make a space and maybe divide it into two parts and write the next question down there. We'll take a different type of question wherein here you get a common, this kind of a numerator with a denominator 4, and the other part, it seems it is an unlike fraction again as like the previous one. We follow the same basic thing, that will keep the variables on one side and the constants on the other. If we look at this question, we can see I have to actually carry that t on the right to the left side, thereby changing its symbol from minus t to plus t, and let 2 by 3 being constant on the right. We now will follow the same method as we did in the previous question. We'll take the LCM, thereby getting it 4 into 3, that's 12. Here it doesn't have anything, that makes it 1. Now 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So 3 along with the numerator. This is as simple as you generally solve any arithmetical fraction question. Here only you have been given the question in algebraic format. Now 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. So 4 multiplied to 2, 3t plus 3 plus, now 12 divided by 1 here gives us 12, and 12 into t is 12t. This is equal to 2 by 3. We'll now remove the brackets here. That will give us 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12 plus 12t by 12. Is equal to 2 by 3. Now we will solve the t part first. If you see, it is 9t minus 8t and then plus 12t. You can use one more step to write down or collect the like terms together. That is 9t minus 8t plus 12t. That will give us 13t. Now you have minus 6 and minus 12, that's giving us minus 18 whole by 12. This is equal to 2 by 3. We can just do some cross multiplication. So herein it will be multiplied like this. So I'll be getting, try to fit in this space available to me. 39t minus 18 at 4 is 54 is equal to 24. That makes it 39t is equal to 24 plus 54 if I carry to the other side. So that's giving me 78. So t becomes 78 by 39. I think it's getting cancelled by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 6 are 18 by it is 13. So the answer becomes t becomes 23 by 30. Before moving on to practical problems on this linear equation in one variable, let us take a few more questions to solve. It will be helpful for us as well, because once you get the equation solving correct, framing the equation will be the part which is left when you get the word problems. Let's take up one more. It says x minus 2x plus 8 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 4 x minus 2 minus x by 6 minus 3. Let us first remove the bracket in this step, the one on the right hand side. So I'm keeping the left hand side as it is, and we'll first remove the bracket. So 1 by 4 multiplied to x gives us x by 4, and then if we multiply 1 by 4 to 2 minus x by 6, so that becomes minus 2 minus x by 24, and there was a minus before, so let it be as it is. We will now be carrying all this x to the left side. See, there is one more way of doing this fraction solutions. You can give all of them a common denominator. This will become plus 2 minus x by 24 as it is changing side, minus 3 will remain on the right as it is. If I take LCM of, let us find out LCM of 3, 4 and 24. That will be the common denominator. You can also do that way. We learned it in the first session. 4, so it is 4, 1, 1, 2. So now the LCM becomes 3 into 4, 12, 12 into 2, 24. I'll just erase this for turn. So we got our LCM to be 24, or you can give all of them a common denominator of 24. This is 1, so it remains as 24x. On the other hand, it becomes 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. So I'll multiply 8 with 2x plus 8. 24 by 4 gives us 6, so it is 6 into x. 24 by 4, 24 is 1, so it is 1 multiplied to 2 minus x, that's giving us minus 3. Next step becomes the removal of, just keep on solving them as algebraic expressions. It gives us 16x. If I remove the brackets, so 8 into 8 is minus 64, minus 6x plus 2 minus x is the one. And on the right, you can directly cross multiply, thereby making it 24 into 3, that gives us minus 72. Now on this side, if I carry all the like terms, it becomes 24x minus 16x minus 6x and minus x. Minus 6x minus x is minus 7x, minus 7x minus 16x is minus 23x. So 24x minus 23x gives us minus only x. And now we carry minus 64 plus 2 is minus 14. So when you carry it to the right, it becomes plus 14. Sorry, plus 64 minus 2, 62. So x becomes minus 10. So the solution to this question becomes x is equal to minus 10. Let's move on and take one more question. Wherein I take a little different one with squares, and the one last one which I will take up will be on decimal. Herein it's 2x plus 3 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 8x plus 6 and x minus 1 plus 22. Will now be taking like a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Have you ever, I hope you learned the formula before. That's a plus b whole square. Oh, sorry. It is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. If you do so, if you will open this, you will see it is a square and a square will remain, so thereby making the formula twice of a square plus b square only. So I'll just expand that here. So it is 2, a was 2x, so it is 2x square plus b was 3, it is b square, and this I'll put it in a bracket. And on the right, we will have to remove this bracket by multiplying, thereby getting it as 8x into x minus 1. So it is 8x square minus 8x plus 6x minus 6 and plus 22. So I'm getting it as 4x square plus 9. And here I'm getting it as 8x square minus 8x plus 6x, that's giving me minus 2x, so I directly can write it here, minus 2x, and now it is minus 6 and plus 22, so that's giving me plus 16. Here if I remove the bracket, I'm getting 8x square plus 18. On the other hand, I have 8x square minus 2x plus 16. 8x square on both sides will get cancelled. I'll carry this minus 2x to the left, thereby getting 2x. And if I carry 16 to the other side, I'm getting a minus 18. Thereby getting 2x is equal to minus 2, and x becomes minus 2 by 2. That's minus 1. Hope you followed it. I'll leave one decimal question for you to solve. The method remains same, only the numbers is changing, so there is no confusion over even if it is a decimal. So 0.16 multiplied to 5x minus 2. This is equal to 0.4x plus 7. Simply remove the bracket as we did in all these questions and change sides, keep the variables on one and the constants on the other, and find the value of x. I give you the answer as well to check by yourself if you did it right or not. I really hope that you get it right. That is 18.3 will be the answer and the value to x. Thank you.